How to enable anti-phishing codes in Binance on PC? It's easy and simple. Now after you make sure you are logged in to your Binance account. Now go and head over to your profile icon. Now go to account. And now from here select security. Now scroll down until you find advanced security. Now we will enable this anti-phishing code. So what is this mean? So protect your account from phishing attempts and ensure that your notification emails are from Binance only. So how to enable it? Just click on enable. And now after that, as you can see, do not disclose your password or verification codes to anyone, including Binance support. So what is an anti-phishing code? An anti-phishing code is a code that helps to prevent phishing attempts from or fake Binance websites or email addresses. So how does it work? Once you have set your unique anti-phishing code, it will be included in all official Binance emails. Now click on create anti-phishing code. Now create an anti-phishing code. Now enter the codes. I will enter like for example, make sure you enter between 4 to 20 characters, excluding special symbols. So don't add dash or at or underscore or anything. Just make sure you enter characters like alphabet and numbers. So after I enter my code, I will click on submit. Now after that, you will verify, or to verify your account, I will choose PIN. So after you verify with passkey, as you can see, now all the anti-phishing code. So as you can see, now we are enable the anti-phish or phishing code. So if you want to change it, you can change it from here, and now you set up your phish or phishing code. So this is how to enable anti-phishing code in Binance. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.